Bob, I know you had been tracking some storms earlier today. Is that going to be the same for tomorrow morning?
Well, we may see in the afternoon some storms around. We had some tonight even this evening. It's trying, the pattern's trying to get going with lots of lightning and some heavy rainfall in some areas. 3 inches fell in just a short period of time up in parts of Manatee County. Here's what's going on with our photos. A lot of them sent in too, and boy, some excellent shots. Let's get a look at those. First alert weather shot, billowing clouds. Lynn getting this one. Lynn Shepard looking toward Manatee County. Again, you see those clouds billowing there and lots of lightning associated with those. And speaking of lightning, from the Lightning Mafia, Matt Smith getting this in the celery fields. Just one lone strike there. I'm sure they'll be getting a lot more throughout the upcoming season. And Ellington after the rains, Sherry Pearson got this up near Ellington. Appreciate that photo. And Oakford Vito, who celebrates a birthday in a couple of days, got in this nice shot from Oakford out there east of I-75 off of Fruitville. Tower Cam showing a nice sunset tonight for folks out there checking things out near the beaches. It's been a pretty good day with the exception of that red tide. Not much rainfall for the area beaches, and looks like we will see another nice one tomorrow as a result of pretty much similar conditions. Now, we are looking at the rainfall. This is over the past 4 hours or so, and you can see that rain was heavy at times in the central Florida, and the east and west coast breeze met, and we still have some residual showers out there, but they're winding down right now. Most of the activity is, for the most part, over. You can see some of that rain still lingering in parts of Manatee County. It was heavy just about an hour ago, right where they don't need it. They had 3 inches there with some of the heavy downpours. That lightning, though, is for the most part over, so I don't think it's going to keep you up tonight. And during the overnight hours, we don't expect any rumble of thunder out there. But tomorrow afternoon, different story, especially east. Still some rain there, State Road 64, over near Verna, up near Waterbury, and you can see Lorraine getting some showers there. Lakewood Ranch, too, got hit pretty hard earlier today. Those storms weren't moving much because of a high-pressure ridge that's pretty much parked right over central Florida. And with that in mind, the storms that do develop, and there will be a few along that sea breeze front, they won't move much, and they will produce some heavy rainfall. As I mentioned, up to 3 inches reported right there near I-75 and State Road 64, 2.1 just to the west of Arcadia. Notice the coastline pretty clear as far as any kind of significant rainfall goes. There were a few showers near Englewood, Northport getting some heavy rain earlier too. So the forecast, we take you through time tomorrow morning. We'll start off with generally sunny skies. It looks like quite a bit of moisture out there in the Gulf. By 1 o'clock, that sea breeze will start to generate a few showers and a few storms. And a lot of that activity will start to move off to the east, but then build back toward the coast later on at night. And not the normal pattern, but we will still see a few scattered about like we're seeing tonight. And then again, Thursday looks to be the same as Friday with showers and storms developing and mainly inland. The atmosphere isn't all that dry. There's a little bit of dry air hanging out there right now, but we have a good chance for at least a few scattered storms tomorrow. Not everyone's going to get in the rain. They're going to get a lot of rainfall into the Yucatan Peninsula with this disturbance there. It doesn't have much of a chance of developing anything tropical right now, but looks like it will cause some concern for some flash flooding in Mexico over the weekend as it heads in that general direction. And as far as the European forecast model goes, it's not really developing it into much as it makes its way off toward Mexico and Texas. So all is fairly quiet in the tropics right now. Currently, we have 75 degrees at the airport, some clouds in north of that, 87% of the humidity, the dew point at 71. The high today was 90, the low this morning was 72, fairly close to seasonal averages. And again, this frontal system will keep that high pressure kind of snug right over the top of us and even push to the south by Friday and Saturday. So for boaters tomorrow, looks good. Seas running 2 feet or less out there, a light chop on the bays and inland waters. Winds turning to the southwest out of an east breeze in the morning. So the extended forecast, slight chance for showers at 30%, a little less on Friday. Saturday looks good. And then for Father's Day, not bad, 40% chance for scattered showers and storms later on in the afternoon. They'll have a better chance heading toward the coast, 30% chance on Monday and Tuesday. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.